Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really tightly packed, really heavy 80-inch Loveseat that is a boneless. They come like this in a giant solid roll. This one did come with a nice cutter to actually open this up, so that's what I'm going to be doing here this morning. And then you've actually got to wait about 72 hours for this thing to plump up. Loving the fact that it does come with that cutter. That's really cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing cut open here and watch this thing expand. There she goes. So I'm going to get this thing slid out of here so this thing can completely expand out. Loving the fact this has got this two-tone look on here. So let me get it pulled out of the bag and show you what it looks like straight out of the bag. So straight out of the box, it's already starting to plump up really good. They do have these little tabs here. It's going to reveal some Velcro. And what we're going to go ahead and do is pull these off. This is going to actually give this thing some really nice height. This is a two-tone, again, sofa, and the back piece is going to lock in here and just go on top of this piece here, which is going to push this, giving this a really nice high back on this, which is really pretty nice. I haven't seen a lot of these that do it like this, but I'm kind of liking that. And this bottom part down here is going to attach down here. Now, these side pieces came like this. They're simply going to tuck down in the sides. And now we're actually going to kind of start seeing the full shape of this thing take form here. Now again, comes relatively limp and weak, but these things will plump up, and as they plump up here over the next 72 hours, this will turn into a really nice looking sofa, I'm sure. So we're going to go ahead and give it a few days, and we'll come back and show you the final product. Okay, we've let this thing sit out and fluff out for the last 72 hours, and it has plumped up nicely. In fact, very minimal effort on this as far as assembly is concerned. A couple of notable features. One, the chenille fabric is extremely comfortable. It's nice and soft. I'm loving the fact that this sofa has something unique, and that is the color blocking design. So it breaks everything up. You have this light color, you have a dark base. It does come in a few different colors of base on there. This one is the black, but it really shows up nicely. It looks really nice. I'm seated on here because I want to kind of emphasize one thing, and that is the size of the back of this sofa. This is an 80-inch width, but the height of the back of this, I am 6'2", and the back of this is plenty high for me as a full-grown adult male to sit back and even rest my head on this, which is nice. And that's something you don't get with a lot of these boneless sofas, so I really like that. It also has this nice arm that kind of wraps over the edge like this, so that way if you're going to be laying down on this and taking a nap or resting, maybe watching a television show or whatever, you have this comfortable arm that kind of ramps up like that as well, and that's really nice too, and the fact that it can do that. So really comfortable seating. It's firm without being overly too firm. It's a really nice sofa that would work well in pretty much anyone's home.